Editing for enhanced clarity in English. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we are delving deep into a critical aspect of proofreading and editing, identifying areas of confusion or lack of clarity. We all want our writing to be understood effortlessly, and that's where our topic comes into play. Clarity in writing ensures that our messages are understood precisely as we intended. Clear writing is easily understandable, free from ambiguities, direct and concise. When our writing lacks clarity, it can lead to misunderstandings, misconceptions, or even misinterpretations. This can cause the reader to miss the intended message or even misapply the information provided. There are several reasons why a piece of writing might lack clarity. 1. Long-winded sentences. These can make it hard for readers to follow the main idea. 2. Jargon or technical language. Without proper context, specialized terms can alienate readers. 3. Lack of transition words. They guide readers through your text and highlight relationships between ideas. 4. Ambiguous references. Using pronouns like it, this, they, without clear antecedents can confuse readers about what or whom you are referring to. To ensure clarity, you'll need to develop a keen eye for potential pitfalls. 1. Read aloud. Sometimes, just hearing the words can highlight confusing areas. 2. Peer review. Ask someone else to read your work. Fresh eyes often spot ambiguities more easily. 3. Reverse outline. Summarize each paragraph in one sentence. This will help you check if each section clearly conveys its intended message. 4. Question as you go. As you read, ask yourself, could this be interpreted in another way? Is the main idea clear? Once you've identified areas of confusion, it's time to fix them. 1. Simplify sentences. Shorten them or break them into two. 2. Replace jargon. Use simpler terms or explain technical terms when they're first used. 3. Use transition words. Words like, however, moreover, therefore, can make a big difference. 4. Clarify ambiguous references. Make sure all pronouns have clear antecedents. If in doubt, replace the pronoun with the noun it represents. Ensuring clarity in your writing isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about making sure your message is understood as intended. Remember, the key to great writing is to think of your reader. We hope this video has shed light on how to identify and rectify areas of confusion in your texts. Happy editing, and until next time.